What's up guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm outside. I actually have made a purchase for a new accessory for the 2018 Silverado. I wasn't expecting to make it this time, but I ended up doing it just because it's something I've been wanting for a while and I found the right ones, I found the right deal. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the truck looks like beforehand, and I'll show you what the new surprise is. Here's the truck. Looking at it, you can see we got the stock wheels and well, just the wheels on them. So I have the stock wheels. I did end up putting new tires on them at some point. I didn't film or show that at all, but I ended up with the Toyo AT3s on this truck. Toyo AT3s I think are a fantastic tire. They have treated me well. Tread wear is good. They have a 60,000 mile warranty when you do the stock size for the truck, and they definitely look meaner for the truck. I mean, the sidewall's not as aggressive as I would like, but it suits the truck pretty well. All right, but unfortunately these wheels and tires are getting taken off this truck because I did purchase a new set of wheels and tires, and I'll go ahead and show you guys those now. So looking at the garage here, I ended up getting the 22-inch Denali wheels essentially, or I believe they come on the High Country and the LTZ trucks from and I know in the 2018 year and that body style, so 16 to 18 I believe. And these are by far one of the best looking wheels I think Chevy has made come from the factory on these trucks. And I was able to pick these up for a really good price with tires that have only 1,000 miles on them. So if you look at them, they are pretty meaty. And like I said, I got a good deal. These are the Cooper Discoverer Rugged Trek tires. They look pretty good. They're nice and aggressive. All the wheels are flawless. Like I said, the dude that I bought it from on Facebook, he only had them on for 1,000 miles essentially. So, they look really good. The one thing I do question is they don't have the little, I've seen them on the trucks where they have like little rivets almost, little bolts. I don't know in this section, but these don't have it. I actually think it looks cleaner without them. So yeah, I like them. The profile is a little different from what I have. It's about a ½ inch taller of a tire overall, while going from an 18 to a 22 is a substantial change in wheel. Definitely less sidewall, so I'm gonna have to get used to that. Make sure I don't hit any curbs and get curb rash on these wheels. I will say the tires do bulge out and they are aggressive enough to where I'm hoping that'll help me out a little bit, but definitely something to get used to. But I love these wheels and I think they look really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the truck, and yeah, I'll take you along with me. And as I go, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down and rinse the wheels off with some soap. They are a little dusty, so I just want them to be nice and shiny, even though my truck is dirty. So I'm gonna do it anyway. It's gonna look odd on a dirty truck, but should be good enough for now. Alright guys, I got one side on and I have to say it looks really good. I'm not going to show you all the process of getting the other side, but yeah, that looks amazing. I am really happy with it. I'll probably wash the truck up later. I'm going on a trip this weekend, so I don't really have time. I wanted to get these on before I go on the trip, but I will wash it up and shoot a little video, you know, to show y'all what this truck looks like with them. And I'm just happy with how it looks overall. It looks so good. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the truck, enjoyed the new look. It looks completely different than what it did before. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.